Find friends in Subway Surfer. In this video, I will show you how to find friends in Subway Surfer. Let's get started. Open your Subway Surfer application. On the main screen, tap onto the friends icon. It's the button with two fish bumps. Tap on it. To find friends, you have to connect your game to Facebook or a game center. You just have to tap connect button and log in. To do that, you have to select settings and you have to tap Facebook or game centers to connect. In my case, I have connected with Facebook. Once connected, any of your friends who play Subway Surfer will show up right in your friends tab. In my case, I have no one yet, but you may have plenty of friends. You will see their scores and can compete with them. And that's it. Now you can challenge your friends and climb the leaderboard together.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.